Oh my God, what's the grown woman ones? I'm giving dark and lovely and I know it. Because I am kind of dark and lovely. And the idea that this channel is not called dark and lovely is beyond me. My loves, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a unit from Klaiyi hair. I have exactly 45 minutes to get ready, braid my hair, put this wig on, beat my face, get ready so me and my husband can go to a wedding. So that's life. Okay, so we're back. I'm putting on this unit. This is a kinky straight wig, okay, from Klaiyi hair. She's 22 inches of love, sex, and magic, okay? 13 by 4 lace, 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It has lace in the back, adjustable straps, what kind of forever. Also add putting nails on to that list. I have to put nails on as well because I'm unprepared. So let me dig into the details of this unit. This is a Klaiyi Kinky straight realistic, which it feels very, very good. Lace front wig, but the natural density, okay, it has a breathable human hair wig, okay. Really, really nice. I have her in 22 inches. At 22 inches, she's going for $248, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this unit on. I'm doing a ball cap method because I want mother to lay very, very nicely. Oh, let's talk about what they gave us. They gave us the Klaiyi robe, which we're obsessed with. I love a robe, Klaiyi hair. They gave us the edge wrap, okay, to make sure we get our edges together. This cute little bag with the eyelashes we do not need, a makeup brush, a bonnet. We always can use one of those. We got some caps, a wig bag. They came through with the gifts today. And what is this? Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute is that? And a little ring. This is cute. Okay, we love gifts, Klaiyi hair. Okay, especially when you spending a coin. Oh, and she spins. Oh, she's multifunctional. So let me go ahead. I'm going to throw this wig on. I'm going to see you on the other side. Are you ready to dig on into this unit? So I really did have the pleasure of reviewing this Klaiyi Kinky straight realistic lace front wig, okay? I have her, I believe, in 22 inches, and she is just under $250 for a 4x4 lace and or a 13 by 4 lace front wig. So I'm just going on through with my ball cap method, darkening up the lace a bit, okay, because I want her to be very natural. Again, I had the pleasure of living in this unit for 5 whole days, okay? I've been running around recently and I really haven't had the opportunity to switch these wigs out like I like to. And this one gave me a run for my money. She is absolutely stunning. This unit is a very natural density, which I love as well, because when you're wearing her straight, she looks like she's coming out of the scalp. The lace is absolutely impeccable. You'll see that on the other side of this video. Now, I'm really into this. I want you guys to know they got all the pays, the Klarnas, the Afterpay, the Zip Pay. So let's dig on into this one. I'm going to shut my mammy tap mouth and see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side. So I'm back with Klaiyi hair. I'm super excited about this unit. She's absolutely stunning. Wait till you see the lace. Wait till you see the lace. So I'm gonna just take this off like really, 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 really good. So I'm just gonna pull her down. I might not even have to straighten her out. Look how beautiful this hair is. Now this is a kinky texture. Look at that. Bitch. Good night. We're getting into this wig. Absolutely positively stunning. Stunning. Okay. So I am back. I've gotten this wig together. Okay, can you tell? Can you tell? She is absolutely, positively everything we wanted her to be. This unit by Klaiyi hair, okay? She is a natural kinky straight unit. Obsessed. Just because you got thick hair, just because you have natural hair, do not mean that your hair is all dry, raggedy, and it does not mean any of that, okay? It just means you got thick love, sex, and magic. We like our hair like Drake like his women. Okay? We like big body Benzes around here, all right? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So that's why this unit is coming all the way through. Look at this. Put me on the front of a perm box. Am I not giving just for me? Oh my God, what's the grown woman ones? I'm giving dark and lovely and I know it. Because I am kind of dark and lovely. And the idea that this channel is not called dark and lovely is beyond me. It's beyond me. Klaiyi hair really came on through for this one. I really am in love with this unit. I think she is absolutely stunning. I'm going to turn around so you guys can get the back. I mean, I love this unit. The texture of the hair is soft. The cap is constructed perfectly. The lace is absolutely positively stunning. Woo! Child. Stunning. Like, she gave me chills. When I put her on, I was like, oh, okay. Y'all see it, though. You'll see it. So let me turn around. Let me know if you can see my tracks in the back. You can't because it's my hair, but let me know. Just let me know though. But this is my hair, but let me know if you can see my tracks. Can you see my tracks? Even though this is my hair? But I'm obsessed. Obsessed. She stank. She's nasty. She's right on time for the season. Okay, we getting back to being able to wear like the nice straight hair. And to me, like, this is nice and straight. I think this is absolute. There are very few times where you get a unit that I think like just really comes together properly. I know that sounds so bad, but I could really pick apart anything if you give me the chance. And to me, I'm outdone. I'm outdone. Get them the respect they deserve. Are you seeing this? I just kind of want this to come down a bit. And it may or may not. It looks as good as it looks. I'm obsessed. This is my hair. This is my hair. Like, literally. Like, this is my hair. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And this is mine. And I know I said that somebody named Klaiyi, you know, provided this for us, but you gotta take what I say with a grain of salt. No, I'm kidding. I hope you guys like this. I'm really trying to push out like super honest reviews. Y'all know how I do. And to me, this one really does take the cake. I think this is a wonderful unit. I think that this unit is worth the money. I don't always feel that way. But to me, I can just tell by the hair. The way she feels. Like, she feels good. I've said all I could say. If you have not already, I am Intisar Eleanor. Nice to meet ya, honey. Thank you so much for joining me. Do me a favor, busty, and subscribe to the channel because I got more coming. Okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.